Hey, in this video I'm going to show you a set of advanced After Effects shortcuts that every user should at least know, if not already be using daily. These aren't your typical beginner combos like splitting layer, they are the ones I personally use every day and they truly save me hours. Even if you save just 10 minutes a day, that's 60 hours a year you can spend on something really way important. So let's go. Reverse keyframes in one click. You created an intro animation and now need an outro. Usually we copy keyframes, move them, flip them and stop. Instead, just copy the case and hit Ctrl-Shift-V. After Effects automatically reverses the keyframes and interpolation. Outro done in one go, super fast and convenient. Play from start, one of my favorites. If you often check your animations by dragging the playhead back manually or adjusting the work area, try this. Hold Shift, press space and playhead will automatically start from the beginning. As long as you are holding Shift, it works. Much better than constantly pulling the playhead. Great way to preview animation. Quick keyframe shortcuts. Instead of digging through layers and enabling keyframes manually, just use these combos. Press Alt plus Shift and the parameter you want to animate. P for position, S for scale and T for opacity. After Effects will instantly add keyframes even if you have multiple layers selected. I use this all the time and I don't go into layer settings at all. Move layers and keyframes frame by frame. Just select the layer and press Alt, page up or page down. It moves one frame at a time. If you add Shift, you can move forward 10 frames. Same logic applies to keyframes, just use left or right arrows instead page up or page down. Scene edit detection, auto cut footage. Instead of manually scanning frame by frame for cuts, let After Effects do the work. Right click on your layer and choose scene edit detection. You can either split the footage or just place markers where cuts are detected. Super helpful than working with music videos or long edits, so forget about manual cutting. Toggle layer switch. Sometimes you want to disable a layer or multiple layers, but doing this manually is very inconvenient. Instead, go to keyboard shortcuts and search toggle video switch for selected layers. The default is something like Ctrl-Alt-Shift-V and that's way too long. Set your own combo, I use Alt plus V. You can set the same combination and turn off the layers instantly without touching the mouse. Solo layer. It seems to be a similar situation to toggle layer switch. Clicking this tiny solo icon is annoying. Go to keyboard shortcuts and search solo. Bind it to something quick. I use Alt plus S. You can set a combination that is more convenient for you. And now you can solo one or multiple layers instantly. Makes work much easier. Deselect all layers. Then your composition's a mess and everything is selected. Just hit F2 and everything deselects instantly. Shortcut name is Deselect All layers, so feel free to remap it. Small trick, but can be useful. Remove all effects from the layer. Instead of deleting every effect manually from the effects control panel, just select the layer or layers and hit Ctrl-Shift-E. All effects gone, perfect for completely resetting the layer or all layers. Cycle through blending modes. Then I was just learning After Effects, I couldn't understand why I couldn't change the blending modes with the mouse wheel like in Premiere Pro, but After Effects has its own principle. Just select a layer and press Shift plus or minus on your keyboard to cycle through them quickly. Super helpful for creative exploration. And the last one, collapse everything. Then your timeline is cluttered and you want a clean view. Press Shift plus A and then click E on your keyboard. It collapses everything. So I've done this so often, it's now muscle memory. Hope you found at least one trick that genuinely save you time. Let me know in the comments which shortcut you use, maybe I don't know them yet. Thanks for watching and remember, don't steal, stay.